everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, tie your hairs nicely into the half ponytail and then tie the remaining hairs. Now divide your hairs into two sections and then make a bun out of it. Now take the front portion or the upper portion and then divide your hairs into two and make a bun as shown in the video. It's done. For the next one, tie your hairs into sections and then pull it inside out as shown in the video. Now take the remaining hairs and then pull it inside out from both the sides. It's done. For the next one, tie your hairs and then pull it inside out nicely. Now divide the remaining hairs into two sections and start taking the smallest sections and make a braid out of it. Now keep doing it until it will start looking like this and make a bun out of it, and it's all done. For the next one, take the front portion of your hair, tie it nicely and then take the side portion and make the braids out of it. Now take the remaining hairs and take the smaller sections out of it and keep adding it to the braid until it will start looking like this. Now repeat the exact same process on another side too, and then it will all look like this. Accessorize it nicely and it's all done. Cute, right? This one, take the section of your hair and then make it into a braids. Now take the remaining hairs and make it into a section and pull it inside out from the braids from both the sides until it will start looking like this. Now take the hairs, tie it nicely and then start making the braids of the remaining hairs and then make it into a bun. It's done. For this one, make a ponytail and then divide your hairs into two sections. Now take the first section and start making the braids out of it with the help of a fourth section as shown in the video. Once you are complete with that, make a bun out of it by rolling it all together. Now take the remaining hairs and make a bun out of it as shown. Now take the remaining hairs and then divide your hairs into two sections and then pull it inside out nicely. Fix it properly and it's all done. It's cute, right? For the next one, make a half ponytail and then make a bun out of it as shown in the video. Now take the remaining hairs, divide your hairs into two sections and then again make a bun out of it and then attach it. For this one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely and then from the middle pull it inside out. Now take another section of your hair and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Now take the first section and fix it properly and it's all done. Thanks for watching.